How to fix crashing and freezing issues in Grand War 4 using your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. The Grand War 4 game can sometimes crash or freeze due to device or app issues. So in order to fix that, first thing to do is to close off the Grand War 4 game completely and reopen it again. To first close the game, drag from the bottom of the screen and in the app card area, go ahead and push it upwards and release. This will force close the game. Now you can get back to your Grand War 4 game from the app drawer and click it open again. This will clear temporary glitches and fix the problem that may be causing freezing issue. If the problem still continues, then the next thing you can do is to also restart your device. Turn off your phone or your tablets and launch it open again and switch it on again and try opening up your Grand War 4 game. If the problem still continues even after restarting your device, then the next thing you can do is to clear the cache. From your Android device's home screen, open up the Settings app. From the Settings application, scroll down and look for the Apps option and click on it. Inside the app option, look for the Grand War 4 game from the app list. Click on it to open the app info section. Now go to the bottom right and tap on Clear Data. In the pop-up, click on Clear Cache. Click OK in the pop-up to clear your cache data from the Grand War 4 game. So right after you do that, you will be able to clear the game cache from your device. This will remove junk files that may be slowing down the game. Also, while playing the game, make sure that you have closed off any background running apps. Too many apps running at once can cause the lag on your device, whichever device you have. So before opening the game, make sure to close all of those applications and make sure the only game that is running right now or the only app running right now is Grand War 4. So after you go ahead and make sure of these steps, you might be able to fix your lagging or freezing issue. If nothing else works, you can also try uninstalling the game and reinstalling it again so that you can start fresh, and this time it might help you with the freezing or crashing issue. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.